Ever wondered why your tire pressure light won't turn off? It's a common question, and today we'll unravel the mystery behind it and guide you on how to reset that pesky light. Understanding what triggers the tire pressure light is the first step to resetting it. This light is a part of your car's tire pressure monitoring system, also known as TPMS. It illuminates when it detects that one or more of your vehicle's tires is underinflated. The goal of this system is to alert you to unsafe conditions that could potentially lead to tire failure. However, sometimes, even after adjusting the tire pressure, the light remains stubbornly on. This could be due to a number of reasons. Perhaps the tire pressure isn't at the correct level yet, or there might be a persistent leak. It's also possible that the TPMS sensor itself is malfunctioning. So, how do you go about resetting the tire pressure light? Here's a step-by-step guide that should work for most vehicles. 1. Start the car. Make sure the vehicle is in park and that the parking brake is engaged. 1. Locate the TPMS reset button. This is often found under the steering wheel. However, it can vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. If you're unsure, consult your vehicle's manual. 1. Press and hold the TPMS reset button until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times, then release it. Start the car and wait for 20 minutes. The light should turn off. 1. If the light doesn't turn off after the first attempt, repeat the process. Sometimes it may take a few tries. For some popular car models, there may be specific steps involved. For instance, in some BMW models, you may need to navigate through the vehicle's onboard computer using the steering wheel buttons to reach the TPMS reset option. If after several attempts the light still refuses to turn off, it's time to do some troubleshooting. Start by checking all the tires for any signs of punctures or leaks. If the tires are fine, the issue may lie with the TPMS sensor itself. In this case, it's best to consult with a professional. Remember, maintaining the correct tire pressure is not just about turning off a light on your dashboard. It's about safety. Underinflated tires can lead to decreased control of the vehicle, poor gas mileage, and even tire blowouts. Regularly checking your tire pressure can help you avoid these issues and ensure a smooth and safe ride. In summary, the tire pressure light is a key indicator of your vehicle's health. Resetting it involves locating the TPMS reset button, pressing and holding it until the light blinks, and then waiting for the light to turn off. If the light doesn't reset, it's time to inspect the tires and potentially the TPMS sensor. And remember, regular tire maintenance is a crucial part of vehicle safety. So, the next time your tire pressure light refuses to turn off, you'll know exactly what to do. Safe driving.